Hey everyone, welcome back to the homestead. Today is the day I start building walls on my greenhouse. I am so excited. This has been a going on 2-year project now, so I'm really excited to start seeing this become what's in my head out actually in the real world. So yeah, today we are starting on the walls, and then we can put the windows in and get the plastic up on the roof, and I'll have this wonderful greenhouse to grow in next year. So let me show you kind of where we're at, what I'm starting with, and what the game plan is for today. So here she is. This is what we have accomplished so far. These are all 4x4s that are concreted in about 2 feet down. And it's pretty much just the bones of the greenhouse. I got this section here was a little bit higher than this side, so I dug it out so they should be level now for putting walls in. And then on each post, you'll see I have a mark for 3 feet down from the top. Actually, it's more like 39 inches, so it's 3 feet and 3 inches. And that's because the windows I have are exactly 3 feet tall, and then I need an additional 3 inches for the 2x4s, which measure 1.5 inches thick, and then I'll have a 2x4 on either side here, and then one in between the window panels. And then this will be solid wall down here, because I didn't want windows low where they could get kicked or run into or bumped by wheelbarrows or wagons or things like that. So the bottom part from that 3 foot mark down is going to be solid wall, and then windows up here, solid wall, windows, solid wall, windows, and then on this side as well, it's going to be solid wall on the bottom and window panels up top. And then this is just going to be a solid wall up to the top of the 4x4s there. I have no natural sunlight that comes in through this back wall, so I'm just going to make it a solid wall, and then I can use it for vertical storage. I can put some shelves there, or hang my tools, or even put some pretty potted plants or something up there. And then the top, I haven't decided what I want to do with the top. It might just be plastic, or I'll frame that in as solid wall as well. I just haven't decided that yet. But for now, I know all the way up to the top of the 4x4s is going to be a solid wall. And then this opening here is going to have my door in it. That way it opens out into the orchard area and into my garden. So the goal today is to hopefully get the bottom portion of the greenhouse walls in, possibly this back wall if I can manage it on my own, and then I can get my husband's help to frame out the windows and get the window panels in, because they are heavy. So I really don't want to do that one by myself and accidentally break windows, because all the windows that I have I got for free. I really don't want to pay for window panes if I don't need to. So having his help and getting everything in without it breaking is probably the best idea. So but yeah, that's basically the game plan for today, is to get the bottom panels of the walls in and installed, and then kind of go from there. Alrighty, I got all of my pieces cut out. Now let's see if I can get all of these walls built in 30 minutes, because the sun's going down and I'm racing the clock. Let's do it.